Welcome back to the channel, automotive and mobile living enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a completely revolutionary concept that shatters everything you thought you knew about downsizing. If you have been following the mobile housing movement, you have probably heard the common criticism that choosing a tiny house means you have to drastically compromise on creature comforts in order to retain true mobility. Well, a Canadian manufacturer named Teacup Tiny Homes is here to prove that theory completely wrong. They have just unveiled a spectacular custom build named the Laurel, and it is going absolutely overboard on luxury features while remaining an essentially mobile tiny house on wheels. Sitting on a heavy-duty triple-axle custom trailer, the Laurel measures an impressive 34 feet in length and 8.5 feet in width. Now, while it is certainly on the larger side of the towable tiny house spectrum, it ingeniously avoids crossing into the highly restrictive park model territory. This means you can still tow this beauty with a capable heavy-duty haywick truck without needing to apply for special oversized road permits or hire commercial transport rigs. It is the absolute perfect sweet spot between experiencing true freedom on the open road and enjoying uncompromising residential comfort. Based on the highly popular Bernice floor plan, the layout utilizes a brilliantly designed dual loft system that maximizes every single inch of available space. Stepping inside, you are immediately greeted by a breathtaking modern farmhouse aesthetic. The builder utilized bright white shiplap walls and natural luxury vinyl flooring to create a vast, airy atmosphere. This pristine backdrop is powerfully contrasted by gorgeous dark navy custom cabinetry adorned with elegant golden hardware. But the true magic of the Laurel lies in the features that are practically unheard of in traditional mobile living. Because the designers kept the modern farmhouse decor beautifully restrained and minimalist, they freed up enough physical space to include genuine luxury amenities. We're talking about a fully equipped kitchen featuring a real built-in dishwasher, a spacious living area where you can actually stretch out and relax, and most shockingly, a bathroom outfitted with a full-size bathtub. These are the items that usually get sacrificed first when building a tiny home on wheels, yet the Laurel manages to pack them all in seamlessly. It is a striking masterpiece of modern mobile architecture that proves you can indeed take the ultimate comforts of a luxury home anywhere the road takes you.